Georgia father sentenced to prison after toddler shoots, kills 7-year-old brother with unsecured gun. Case summary. A DeKalb County father has been sentenced to prison following a tragic 2023 incident where his 7-year-old son was fatally shot by a younger sibling with an unsecured handgun left in a vehicle. The sentence and charges. Guilty plea leads to 2-year prison term. A 44-year-old Georgia man, Dante Lamar Daugherty, has been ordered to serve 2 years in a state correctional facility for his role in the death of his 7-year-old son, Zaire Daugherty. The sentence was handed down on Thursday by DeKalb County Superior Court Judge Courtney L. Johnson. Daugherty pleaded guilty to 1 count of second-degree murder and 2 counts of second-degree cruelty to children as part of a non-negotiated plea deal with prosecutors. In addition to the prison term, Daugherty will be required to serve 8 years on probation. District Attorney Sherry Boston noted that prosecutors had sought a stricter sentence of 5 years in custody, followed by 5 years of probation. The tragic incident unfolds. Emergency call from a Lithonia gas station. The incident occurred on the evening of Monday, June 12, 2023. At approximately 6:10 p.m., officers from the DeKalb County Police Department responded to a report of a child shot at a Texaco gas station on Rock Chapel Road in Lithonia, located about 20 miles east of Atlanta. Upon arrival, first responders discovered Dante Daugherty in the back seat of an SUV, holding his son Zaire, who had sustained a gunshot wound to the head. Emergency medical personnel arrived shortly after and pronounced the child dead at the scene. A father's fateful decision. Unsecured handgun left with young children. According to the official news release from the District Attorney's Office, the tragedy stemmed from a series of negligent actions. Daugherty had arrived at the gas station with his 2 young sons, Zaire, 7, and another son aged 5. After initially getting out of the vehicle, Daugherty noticed that Zaire was missing a sock and shoe. He instructed the boys to get back into the SUV and wait for him. He then removed his handgun from his waistband, wrapped it in a cloth, and placed it under the driver's seat before entering the store. The moment of tragedy, panic, and a flash of gunfire. Surveillance footage from the gas station corroborated Daugherty's account to detectives. The video showed both children in the back seat of the vehicle before a flash of gunfire was visible. Immediately after the shot, the footage captured the 5-year-old boy throwing open the passenger side door in a panic and running from the car towards a busy intersection. Daugherty, who was inside the store playing the lottery, told investigators he saw a car door open and rushed out to find Zaire shot. He stated he was unsure whether the boy had shot himself or had been shot by his younger brother, who was unable to provide details to investigators. A history of prior offenses. Defendant's previous criminal record. Court records reveal that Dante Daugherty had prior encounters with the law. In 2015, he pleaded guilty to charges of battery against a family member and disorderly conduct, for which he received 24 months of probation. Earlier in 2007, he pleaded guilty to a misdemeanor count of loitering for drugs and was sentenced to 6 months of probation.